Monica Chaudhary of class 10C. I am present here to explore a little about the International Olympic Day. So first of all, this International Olympic Day has been celebrated on 23rd of June. And by the way, what's the main motive behind celebrating this International Olympic Day? So, the main motive behind celebrating this International Olympic Day is to encourage other people to participate in sports regardless of their age, gender or athletic ability. Even many of our Indian players has made the history and inspired many of us to participate in sports such as Neeraj Chopra, who won gold medal in the very young age in 2020 in the field of javelin, and under the leadership of Major Dhyan Chand, we won gold medal thrice in Olympics. And even in 2020, our Indian hockey team's men's won bronze medal in hockey. Thank you.
Players achieve many medals in different games, and we should also achieve like them too, and also hard work for it. In order to do that, we should participate in sports very often or whenever we get a chance. We should also do physical activities, and we should also take some time out of our busy schedule to play sports and do physical activities with our family or friends. There are many great players who have achieved their first medal in the history of sports are like PV Sindhu, badminton 2016, Sania Mirza, tennis player 2014 to 2015, Milkha Singh 1960.